Back in my day, yes, I know that I sound like an old lady. I kind of am. We discussed the challenges of global warming. Global warming describes the increase of the average temperature of the Earth. Since about 1850, the Earth's temperature has increased by about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. That doesn't sound like a lot. The temperature of this room will change by that amount several times today. But when we look at the global perspective, 2 degrees Fahrenheit is a lot. We're talking about the average temperatures of multiple locations, from the equatorial tropics to the polar north and south, and the average of all the seasons. Of course, temperatures will be higher in the summer than the winter, but this 2-degree Fahrenheit average accounts for all the local and temporal variability. More recently than back in my day, the term climate change has become the favored term because it takes into account the variability across time and space. Specific locations at different times of the year are going to have different climate extremes. One region might experience colder winters due to climate change. That can get overlooked if we focus too much on quote unquote global warming. We also miss the fact that flooding and droughts are going to be more frequent and more severe, even in the same region. In this class, we've talked a lot about the importance of the average and the variability around the average. If the temperatures of this classroom averages 71 degrees Fahrenheit, but it has extremes of 32 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to be both too cold and too hot, even if the average temperature should seem comfortable. The variability around the mean can sometimes be more important than the mean itself.